Hello students, in this video we are going to check the correctness of the equation or relation according to dimensional analysis. So let us say we are having equation f is equals to mv square by r. So for left hand side f is force, left hand side is equals to mass into acceleration is equals to mass into velocity upon time is equals to mass into displacement upon time into time. So we are having mlt minus 2. Now right hand side mv square by r, mass into velocity square upon radius, mass into displacement upon time into r. So r is the length and displacement is also a length, therefore mlt minus 2. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. This means this equation is correct. Second, v is equals to u plus at. First of all we will take the mlt of v. V is equals to m0 lt minus 1. U is also a velocity, m0 lt minus 1. At, acceleration, m0 lt minus 2 into t, which means this becomes m0 lt minus 1. So all the three quantities are dimensionally equal. Third, s is equals to ut plus half at square. S is the distance, s, m0 lt 0. Ut, velocity into time, displacement upon time into time, which is m0 lt 0. Half we will ignore, at square. Acceleration into time square, velocity upon time into time square, velocity upon displacement upon time into time square. So we are left with m0, this is length, l, t0. So all the three quantities are dimensionally correct. Third equation, v square, displacement into displacement upon time into time, that is m0 l2 t minus 2. U square is also a velocity, that is m0 l2 t minus 2. Now we are having 2as, acceleration into distance. Acceleration, velocity upon time into distance is equals to displacement upon time into distance, which means we are having m0 l2 t minus 2. So this is also correct. Fourth, t is equals to 2 pi under root l upon g. T, left hand side, t is time, m0 l0 t. 2 pi is constant, under root l by g. Under root l means distance upon acceleration within the under root. Therefore distance upon acceleration means velocity upon time is equals to distance into time. Velocity means displacement into time within the under root. So we are getting under root of t square, that is equals to t, which means m0 l0 t. Fifth, g is equals to gm by r square. G is acceleration due to gravity, therefore left hand side acceleration, velocity upon time, displacement upon time into time, m0 l t minus 2. So for capital G we are having G is equals to f d square by mm. For capital G we are getting m minus 1 here, m minus 1 l3 t minus 2 into mass upon radius square means l square. So m cancel out with m, l with L square with 3, we are left with m0 lt minus 2. This is also correct. G is equals to under root of 2gr. G is acceleration. Acceleration is equals to velocity upon time is equals to displacement upon time into time m0 lt minus 2. This is left hand side. So under root 2gr, under root gr, 2 we will neglect. G means acceleration into distance under root, which is equals to, I am writing displacement upon time into distance within the under root. So we are getting distance square by t square within the under root. So distance upon time, that is m0 lt minus 1. So this is not dimensionally correct. 7th, v is equals to under root 2gr. Velocity left hand side, v is equals to displacement upon time, that is m0 lt minus 1. Under root 2gr we are having here m0 lt minus 2 minus 1, sorry. Therefore right hand side is equals to m0 lt minus 1. It is dimensionally correct. The most famous equation, E is equals to mc square. First left hand side, E is energy, which is equals to work done, force into distance, mass into acceleration into distance, mass into velocity upon time into distance, mass into displacement upon time into distance. Therefore ml2t minus 2. Right hand side, mass, c is the velocity of light, velocity square, mass into displacement upon time whole square, ml2t minus 2. It is also dimensionally correct. V is equals to under root p upon rho. V is velocity, that is displacement upon time, m0 lt minus 1. P is pressure, force by area, m into a into upon L into b, m into velocity upon time into L into b, m into displacement upon time into L into b. L with L cancel out. Mass into T into B, which means m L minus 1 T minus 2 for pressure. Rho is the density, m upon L into B into H, that is equals to m L minus 3 T0. Now we will put these values here. V is equals to under root P upon rho. Under root P we are having m L minus 1 T minus 2 by rho m L minus 3 T0 within the under root. V velocity means m0 L T minus 1. Therefore m with m cancel out. We are left with L3 upon L into T2 to L2 upon T square, that is equals to LT minus 1 m0. It is also dimensionally correct. 10th question. Nu is equals to 1 upon 2L under root T by M, where nu is the frequency, T is the tension, means it is a force, M is mass per unit length, that is m by L, force. Now frequency means 1 upon T, left hand side, which means the units are, dimension formula are L0T minus 1, taking right hand side, ignoring 1 upon 2. Therefore we are left with 1 upon L T T upon M, that is 1 upon L T. T is force, that is mLT minus 2 upon mass per unit length within the under root. Okay, so we are having 1 upon L square T minus 2 within the under root. Okay, so we are left with 1 upon L into L by T. So 1 upon T, that is equals to M0 L0 T minus